Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. So, here is the task. What does the sign indicate? Number 1. You must pay a toll to continue driving. Number 2. Fines are doubled for speeding in this area. Number 3. Speeding or violations here carry a specific fine amount. Number 4. Parking is allowed here for a fee. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The R2-6 BP fine sign is a plaque placed under speed limit or warning signs. It tells drivers that violating the law here, like speeding or ignoring warnings, will cost them a set fine amount, shown directly on the sign, e.g., 250 fine. It's often used in construction zones, school zones, or special enforcement areas to strongly discourage violations. So, the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.